This is going to be a product review of the OXO Softworks. This is a 2-pack toilet brush set that you can purchase at Costco. Reasonably priced, so why not? This is the old toilet brush, kind of disgusting. Oh my god, I just looked at the holder and it's filled with water. I have no idea why that is. I have absolutely no idea. That's disgusting. It's going to go in the garbage. Let's do an unboxing. We all want to see the famous unboxing, so I bought 2 of these. Ended up moving into my mom's house because she is getting up there in age. And there you go. That's why I'm here. Nicely packed. We got a 2-pack. This is a 3-bedroom, 4-bedroom, 3-bath house. So that means we'll only clean 2 bathrooms. We won't clean 3. Is that how it works? Okay, so how does this work? Got this little thing over there. Okay, so that's beautiful. The price is really good, so I just thought, I don't even care about the price. All I know is this thing that you see down at the floor that's filled with water, that needs to go in the garbage. Got a nice little handle. You can tighten it down a little bit more than it wants you to. So this is a little narrower. Makes it easier to get down the drain. It's a firm bristle. You get a little, can you take off the bottom? I don't want to break it. It's got an opening over there. I'm assuming you can pop that, but I'm not going to. It's small enough you can put in the sink and clean. When you're done, there you go. It's beautiful. Let's test it out. The toilet's totally prepared. A lot of black marks in there. Those are called mold marks. That comes from mold. I'll do another video on that. What ends up happening is your toilet, the water from the city, goes into the tank, and mold grows in the rim. That's the problem. The mold grows inside the rim, and I'll make a video on how to get rid of this. This was totally clean 5 days ago. It's gotten worse. It's gotten worse by the day. That's all I can say. And it will continue to get worse. You can scrub this. This brush is going to remove it. It will come right back. So I'll do a video in about a couple weeks when it all grows back. Let's test it out. We also have massive amounts of mold under here. So there's nothing you can do except kill the mold in the rim. And I'll show you how to do that. So let's see how this brush works. You can see the mold it flakes off. You can't keep it on there too long or you're going to ruin your toilet. So the brush works, beautiful. I'm going to try to find an affiliate link like all of us YouTubers. Find an affiliate link for Amazon. If you click on the link, obviously I'll make a few cents. If you don't click on the link, I won't make a few cents. It's not splattering as much as the other brush. It just splattered on my hand a little, but what are you going to do? This is going to happen. Just don't get this stuff in your face. You don't want... I say that, I'm going to put a towel over my face. You don't want this stuff in your mouth. You don't want this water in your nose. Wear safety glasses. I know people say you don't need to. Toilet water has got a ton of bacteria. You also saw the mold in there. This splashes in your face, you're going to get sick. So I'm going to cover my face, finish this up. The bristles are strong enough. You can see there's dirt, there's mold on the bristles, so it is taking it off from the rim. I'm cleaning, this is, look at that, oh my god. I didn't get this much with the other brush. So, you've got to get in. This is, when you're cleaning the drain, this is the rim job over here, when you're cleaning the rim. The brush is really good, I'm very impressed. I just thought it was going to be a brush to clean the toilet. I didn't think I was going to be incredibly thrilled and happy with it. But look at this. Look at this. It's really taken off an enormous... It's cleaning the toilet. It's doing what it's supposed to do. I'm very happy with the product. If you pick it up at Costco, they usually... I've never seen this on sale, but who cares? It's not that much money. Look at all the dirt that came off. Let's go do this one more time. While the water is running out of the rim hose. You go the rim, cleaning this drain job, rim job, and make sure you get your rim job and your drain job both done at the same time. There's no more. Let me lean down. Okay, so there is, I'm not going to lie, there's a little bit of the stuff stuck in there, but that's, I'm going to have to get in there with a sponge and gloves. But look at how well this brush is doing. I'm happy. Good deal, good product. That other thing is going in the garbage for definitely bodacious sure. Okay, so we take this, we put this in here, closes down. I'm a happy guy. Put this on the floor, flush it one more time. The toilet looks beautiful. The brush did what it's supposed to do. Let me show you the box again. This is the OXO Softworks Jeu de Tout Brassure pour Toileritas, or in English, the 2-pack toilet brush set. Very nice set. Very happy with it. It's in French. Auto open canister, dual action durable bristles for scrubbing under the rim. Yeah, quick dry. Okay, so obviously you can't remove the bottom, but that's okay. You don't need to remove the bottom. It works. I'm very happy. Make sure you watch all my other videos. Thank you.